Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take immediate action. Install the material library and create a theme file. Once done, define your core tokens: primary, surface, type scales, 8pt spacing grid, because consistent variables drive predictable UI behavior. Make sure to scaffold components and a baseline CSS reset so styles inherit properly. You'll notice quicker iteration when tokens are centralized. Now commit that initial structure and proceed to component implementation with this stable foundation. You now implement components methodically, starting with atomic pieces like buttons and inputs that reference your tokens. Once done, compose them into cards and forms while honoring the 8pt layout grid so spacing remains predictable across breakpoints. Make sure to apply elevation and motion guidelines for hierarchy and clarity. These convey meaning, not decoration. Also prefer semantic HTML and area attributes to keep accessibility integral. By building upward from reliable atoms, you reduce inconsistencies and simplify future theming. You finish by theming, testing, and documenting. Implement a theme switcher, check 3 contrast modes against WCAG AA, and validate across devices. Once done, run visual regression tests and cross-browser checks to catch drift early and ensure responsive behavior at key breakpoints. Make sure to document token usage and update the changelog for predictable updates. If something breaks, first verify token values and cascading order. Incorrect token overrides are the most common root cause and the quickest fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.